In class, we did an activity with an app called Quiver. It is an augmented reality application that makes 2D pictures into 3D. We each got a sheet in black and white with a picture of a volcano. Then we each colored ours in with colors to make the volcano seem as realistic as possible.
A long, long time ago, there was a volcano living all alone in the middle of the sea. He sat high above his bed, watching all the couples.
Then we focused the camera over the picture. It showed a 3D image of the volcano. He even showed the insides of the volcano, like the lava chamber. At the bottom of the screen, there was a button. When you pressed it, the volcano erupted. There was also a game feature, where when you pressed the buttons, questions popped out about the parts of the volcano.
I have a dream I hope will come true, that you're here with me, and I'm here with you. I wish that the earth see the sky up above will send me someone to love.
I thought this experience was really cool, especially when I could see the volcano exploding in my tablet.
Years of singing all alone turned his lava into stone until he was on the brink of extinction. But little did he know that living in the sea below, another volcano was listening to his song. Every day she heard his tune, her lava grew and grew because she believed his song was meant for her. Now she was so ready to meet him above the sea as he sang his song of hope for